Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another tutorial video for Monopoly Go. And in this video, what I will be showing you how to do is actually trading golden cards, guys. The way you can actually trade golden cards is the same as trading any cards. So let's get right into it. It's a very simple process, and I'll show you how to do it exactly right now. So to access your cards that you actually have, what you want to do is click on the album button in the bottom right, guys. Once you click that, you will be shown a screen of all your sticker collections, guys. In each one of these sticker collections, you will find your stickers of several types. And what you need to have, guys, to actually trade stickers and golden stickers just like that is to have duplicates of them, which means when you open sticker packs, you need to get the same card many times so that you can collect those duplicates, which you can then send to your friends. If you have only one copy, guys, this will not work, and you need to roll more and earn those cards more, or get it traded to you. Simple as that. Now, I know I have some duplicates in the Adventures of Thor collection, so let's get right into it. You get into it by clicking it, and as you can see, guys, I do not have the golden card, but I have other cards as well. To actually trade these cards, what you want to do is click on them. For example, let's click on Mjolnir. Once I click on Mjolnir, what happens is you get this full view of the sticker that you have. To send it to a friend, what you need to do, as you can see, firstly, actually, you see the +1 sign next to the sticker. This means that I actually have one duplicate of the sticker and can use it either to trade the stars from that sticker for other rewards, or I can send it to a friend. You can send a maximum of 5 cards per day, guys, so be careful. Once I want to send it to a friend, I'll click the button and I'll choose from this list of friends I have. Let's say, for example, Roger. Once I select him, this screen will appear and there will be this green button which will ask me to confirm if I want to send it to my friend. I want to save this duplicate, so I won't be doing that, but that is how you send cards, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. It is absolutely the same as sending gold cards, and I will see you guys in another video.